The date of Mtet interview for those candidates who apply for the post of government LP assistant teacher in Risabulpara, North Garo Hill. Schedule date for Mtet interview 2023. Candidate as per the approved list. Serial number 1 to 26. Date is 15/11/2023, 10 a.m. onward. Serial number 27 to 52, 16, 53, 78, 17, 79 to 104, 20. Serial number 105 to 130 on the 22. Serial number 131 to 156 on the 24. Serial number 157 to 8182 on the 27. Serial number 183 to 208 on the 28. Serial number 29 to 234 on the 29, and serial number 235 onward on the 30th of November 2023. The time it will be 10 a.m. onward. So all those candidates who are on the eligible list, kindly check your date of interview and attend for the interview. Thank you.